Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch D, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To wake up the screen, simply press the home button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel, you should see a bunch of icons. And one of them should look like a moon. It's basically the Do Not Disturb mode icon. And to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon and tap on the check mark to confirm. As you can see, it says Do Not Disturb mode enabled, and also the icon changed the color to blue, or it's highlighted basically. This means that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And if you go to the watch face, you will see that the Do Not Disturb mode icon will be here at the top, which also indicates that the mode is enabled. And that's how you enable the mode. To disable it, simply open the quick panel like this and tap on the icon again. It will say Do Not Disturb mode disabled. The icon will be back to the gray color, and also this icon from the watch face will disappear. You can also enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode through the settings. So if we open the settings on our watch, scroll down, find the Do Not Disturb mode option, tap on it, and here we have the options like all day and scheduled. If you want to just enable Do Not Disturb mode, you can tap on the switch next to all day, tap on the check mark to enable it. And if you want to disable it, you can tap on the switch again. But you can also make a schedule for it. So basically, you can set when it should turn on automatically and when it should turn off automatically. And to do it, enable the scheduled option, tap on the check mark, then scroll down. As you can see, we have the start time and the end time. First, let's tap on start and set the hour. So we can do it by swiping up and down like that on the hours and minutes. So I'm gonna set it to something like 10:30 p.m. like that, and tap on OK. And then we can tap on the end time and set it to something, I don't know, maybe 6:30. Like this, and then tap OK. So now my Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on automatically at 10:30 p.m. and turning off automatically at 6:30 a.m. And if you want to disable the scheduled Do Not Disturb mode, you can tap on the switch right here. And once you're done customizing the settings, you can press the home button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.